Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to cancel your Terabox Premium subscription quickly and easily. First, let's look at the standard method inside the app. Open the Terabox app on your phone and log in. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap on the Settings option. If you have an active subscription managed directly by Terabox, it will appear here. Simply tap on your subscription to manage and cancel it. However, many users notice that the cancel option is missing from the app settings. If that happens to you, it simply means your premium account is tied to your phone's app store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Select Subscriptions, find Terabox on the list, and tap Cancel Subscription. If you are on an iPhone, open your device settings and tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Tap on Subscriptions, locate Terabox in your active list, and tap Cancel Subscription. And that is it! Your premium membership is now canceled, and you will not be billed again. If this guide helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct tech solutions.